Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video, and we'll be doing a demonstration of this as well. So these are peel and stick backsplash tiles. These are kind of a updated one. I got some a long time ago, probably about 6 years now. And I just got them, oh, this is a little bit easier than tile work, and I'll just put them up, maybe put up a backsplash later out of tile or whatever. But I was super impressed with them, and this is quite similar. This comes in 10 of these, and basically you just peel them off and stick them on there, and they look just like tile, the ones we have on there. They're super easy to clean. They seem heat resistant, and they're really easy to work with too. I'm going to be installing some of these so you guys can check it out. But if these are anything like the ones I've had for like 6 years behind my as my backsplash, then I'm going to be really impressed with them. So yeah, let's just go set them up. But basically these just overlap on these parts here. Just peel off the back, make sure your wall is nice and clean on the back, and just stick them on there. And then they basically just sit there and look really cool. These come in different styles as well, but you can see it's got a nice kind of like a depth to it. There's not just super flat. It has a little bit of a lip there, a little bit of an indentation, and then like these almost like grout lines looking on there. And yeah, let's go put some up and see how it looks. But anyways, I think it looks really good, actually. Once I get that trim on top, I might just take a white one too and just kind of continue this up around, kind of like that. So it'll be like in between there. And anyways, I think it looks really elegant. It really makes the wall pop out there. The corner finished up pretty good there. I think it turns out all right. And I think it looks really nice. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.